Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lydia. I'm a young Nigerian mom living with her husband and 3 beautiful princesses. So this morning after my NSPPD morning prayer, I had to go back to bed for about 2 hours until my second daughter came and said she was hungry. So I had to put on my gown and then went out to get rice because I don't have rice at home anymore. And then I had to get akara and pap for her while I boiled the rice. This rice is 1.5 derika and it costs 1,650. When I got home, the first thing I had to do was to wash the pot we used to eat rice yesterday and get it ready to boil another one. I didn't bother to wash the bag because I was still going to boil another rice. There were some dirty plates in the kitchen, so I had to do a little magic. When I was done, there were so many stash on the gas cooker, so I had to clean it thoroughly, and then I went ahead to sort out the dirty clothes, put them in the machine so they will start washing with my liquid soap. Then I started sweeping the entire house. The house was very dirty. I had to wake Camilla up to go get me hypo. At this point, Camilla and Gia were still sleeping while I was cooking, so they were so lucky to wake up to food. When I was done sweeping the entire house, I came outside to sweep outside as well, and I had to get my mopping bucket and mopping stick ready. I'll be mopping the house twice. For the first mopping, I'll be using my liquid soap and water to mop. Camilla was arranging their room. When I was done mopping the first time, I went out to throw the water, rinsed my mopping stick, and then the next mopping is with hypo and only water. This is to keep the house clean, free from germs, and sparkling as well. Before you all drag me for using my teeth to cut this hypo, I just used my teeth to scratch the tip of the hypo, and you can see that I'm using my hand to open the other side where the liquid will be coming out. So no liquid got to my mouth, or I did not cut it down to a point where the liquid will touch my mouth. Although I don't get the strength to do this every day, but trust me, cleaning my space is one of my happy things because I get very comfortable at the end of the day. The children around, I know that the children are safe and happy. Washing machine has made my life so very easy, so cleaning is a Then I went back inside to start mopping the entire house. I started from the kitchen, went to the lobby, cleaned the sitting room, and then every other room. And then I went ahead to wash and clean my toilet. I did same for the children's toilet while the clothes were still washing. When I was doing all this, I washed the kids potty, and in no time the clothes were washed and 80% dry. So I had to take them out, and then I and Camilla went outside to spray them for sun dry and proper drying. A lot of people always ask if Camilla assists at all at home. The truth is, this girl does a lot that if I even start videoing, some of you will still complain. You know you cannot please everybody. That is why I'll just do me and leave the rest for you all to talk. Alright guys, so if it is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to click on the notification bell to get notified each time I post a video. Like, you will literally be the first person to get notified each time I post a video. When we're done spreading this clothes, we went back inside to freshen up. Today is first day of the month. One thing I usually do is anointing all my doors. I did that, had my bath. When I checked, the entire house was clean. The entire house was sparkling clean, and this was so much peace for me and the children. Thank you all so very much for watching. God bless you all, and bye. Do have a beautiful month, everyone.